Do you want your high schooler to attend a prestigious university, or is affordability a top priority? Most families want both. But no matter how you answer the question, one thing is clear. Most parents want the best for their kids, but most just don't have a roadmap for getting to that goal. So what does it take to get into a prestigious university? Well, there are 4 criteria. 1, your student needs to have a strong GPA and rigorous coursework. Colleges want to see students challenging themselves academically and succeeding. Second, they need to have a high SAT or ACT, despite the popular test optional apply without a test approach. Third, they need to have a robust academic resume, which includes leadership, extracurriculars, meaningful activities, and enrichments. And then fourth, they need to have that game changer ingredient that really elevates your students and identifies them as unique. But no matter what the case is, the most controllable factor is simply the score, the SAT or the ACT. Repetition, though, of taking those tests over and over is not enough. You need targeted, effective, private test training. It's the difference between average outcomes and exceptional ones. And so what does it actually take? Well, first, you need a baseline score, as we provide with our students. It needs to be broken down to identify where your students' strengths and struggles rest. Content gaps, timing, pacing, specific weaknesses in font of knowledge. Second, you need a clear target. We need to have a goal that we're aiming for. SATs of a 1460 or a 32 ACT. I know these are high, but they're absolutely achievable with the right test training strategy. So the biggest mistake that I find over the past 18 years of college admission is that parents take a chance on the most controllable factor, which is the ACT or SAT score. But if you want your student to be positioned for both prestigious universities and affordability, the key ingredient is something right in your hands. So be sure to test train early and effectively. It really matters.